Welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, a haven for those seeking healthier and more balanced lives. We're all about offering natural and effective solutions to enhance your lifestyle, focusing on areas like weight loss. Our mission is to guide you on a journey towards better health, using remedies that are as close to nature as possible. We believe in the power of natural remedies and their ability to transform lives. If you find our content helpful, hit the like button and share this video to help others discover these natural remedies. Our first trick for effortless weight loss is mindful eating. This is the practice of truly paying attention to what you're eating and when you're eating it. It's not just about munching on a carrot instead of a cookie. It's about being fully present for your meals, savoring each bite, and acknowledging what you're putting into your body. This process won't just make your meals more enjoyable. It can lead to natural weight loss. By paying more attention to what you eat, you can control your intake and lose weight naturally. Trick number 2 is regular exercise. Exercise is like a magic potion for your body. It burns calories, sure, but it also does wonders for your heart, your mind, and your mood. You don't have to run a marathon or lift weights. Simple activities like a brisk walk or even household chores can get your heart rate up and kickstart your metabolism. Remember, every bit of movement counts. Regular exercise not only helps you lose weight, but also improves your overall health. The third trick is to hydrate more. Water is a vital player in the weight loss game. Not only does it keep your body functioning at its best, but it also can help control your appetite. Drinking a glass of water before meals can act as a natural appetite suppressant, making you feel full faster and reducing the amount you eat. Plus, staying well hydrated helps increase your metabolism, further assisting in weight loss. Staying hydrated is a simple yet effective way to aid weight loss. Trick number 4 is quality sleep. It's not just about the hours spent in dreamland, it's about the quality of those hours. Lack of sleep can disrupt your body's balance of hormones that control hunger and satiety, leading to increased appetite and weight gain. On the other hand, quality sleep helps regulate these hormones, keeping your hunger in check and promoting weight loss. So, don't underestimate the power of a good night's rest. Quality sleep is as important as diet and exercise in your weight loss journey. Our final trick is maintaining a positive mindset. A journey to weight loss is not just about the body, it's about the mind too. Embracing positivity can make this journey easier and more enjoyable. When you believe in yourself, you create an environment conducive to success. Remember, self-love is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Celebrate every small victory along the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. A positive mindset can be your most powerful tool in your weight loss journey. Let's recap the 5 tricks for effortless weight loss. First, we spoke of mindful eating, encouraging us to savor our food and listen to our body's hunger cues. Regular exercise was our second trick, promoting physical activity for overall health. Third, we underscored the importance of staying hydrated. Fourth, we emphasized the role of quality sleep in maintaining a healthy weight. Lastly, fostering a positive mindset to motivate our journey. Remember, the journey to weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep these tricks in mind and you'll surely reach your goals. Thank you for watching Natural Lifestyle Remedies.